Today we're going to change up the look on the front of my 2018 Mustang GT with a custom 3-piece spoiler from Rally Innovations. Unlike a lot of the spoilers on the market which are made of plastic, this Rally Innovations 3-piece spoiler is made of heavy 11-gauge aluminum and comes in a black powder coat finish. This will fit the front of all 2018 Mustang GT and EcoBoost cars with the exception of the Performance Pack 2 model. For this installation, you need a lift or a jack and jack stands or ramps, 1/4-inch ratchet, 7mm socket, 1/4-inch socket, ruler or tape measure, marker, drill, 1/8-inch drill bit, 5/16 drill bit, and safety glasses. I'm going to begin the installation by getting the car off the ground, and we'll start by removing the screws here. Now that comes with 2 sets of instructions. There's instructions for a GT and instructions for an EcoBoost, as they are slightly different. And now you want to move inward, basically right where this curve is of the splitter. If you lift up and push up, you'll see that little like rib section in there. You put this clip right up against it. And do the same thing for the other side. Once you have the clip where it goes, you grab our marker. We're going to mark the hole. There's 4 more mounting points we're going to use in the center here. What you got to do though is pull down your splitter, and if you look, you'll see there's a little J clip in there. What you're going to do is line up your ruler with the center of it. You need to mark 1/2 inch in. What we're going to do now is grab the center section of the splitter, hold it up against the 4 markings you made. Make sure it lines up. Okay, now we can remove these 2 outside clips once the holes are marked, and then we can drill. Okay, now we're going to drill all these holes. We're going to start with a pilot bit. Grab a piece of cardboard, a piece in the box, whatever, stick it up in there so you don't drill through. Now we'll drill the holes out to 5/16. Okay, with the holes drilled, we're going to reinstall the clips. We're going to start by putting the center piece up into place. You're going to grab this supplied screw and washer. All right, now we're ready for the side pieces. What I found is the easiest to do, start with the middle one here. Get that hand tight, then it makes it easier to line up these 2 on the ends. Okay, make sure everything is tight and just the way you like it, and your installation's finished. The Rally Innovations front splitter really adds a nice look to the front of the 2018 Mustang without screaming look at me. It almost looks like an OEM part when it's installed. If you like the look, they actually make matching sides and matching rears to really finish off that look. As far as the installation goes, I'd say about an hour and a half or so. We'll be back on the road in no time.